Assalamu alaikum class, this is your SST teacher Ms. Sayeda Fatma Noor. I hope all of you are fine at home. So today we are going to start from our geography portion. Okay, in this geography worksheet, what you have to do, first you have to see at the right top corner of the page where there's written where. So in the cross direction, in the plus direction, basically plus sign where is written. So what you have to do, you have to mention the directions here, like north, south, west, east. So northwest, northeast, southwest, southeast. So it will make it easier for you to then solve the questions that are given in this page. Okay. And after that, look at the map that is given, that shows the Market Street, Center Drive, Second Street, Third Street. There are some symbols in this uh, in this map that are that has a key, and it has a key as well at the top left corner, where that shows that, for example, a place with lines, cross lines, basically simple lines, that shows it is a park. And if there is some trees present, it is a forest. Every symbol is written what that shows: park, hospital, station, government center, etc. Right? Okay, so make sure to open this page before while you are listening to this video, so that you can understand it clearly. Okay, number one question is, what is at the southwest corner of Third and Market Street? You have to tell the both, that थर्ड स्ट्रीट के साउथ वेस्ट कॉर्नर पे क्या है और मार्केट स्ट्रीट के साउथ वेस्ट कॉर्नर पे क्या है. In the directions, you can see southwest is present at the between the south and the west. So you have to look in the map there कि साउथ वेस्ट कॉर्नर पे क्या चीज़ें मौजूद हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, थर्ड स्ट्रीट के साउथ वेस्ट कॉर्नर पे है हमारे पास पार्क. वी विल राइट इट एज इट इज़. एंड देन सेकेंड स्ट्रीट की मार्केट स्ट्रीट के साउथ वेस्ट कॉर्नर पे बेसिकली ये ब्लैंक स्पेस है, तो हम उससे नीचे वाली साइड को देखेंगे, विच इज सेंटर ड्राइव. ओके, so coming to the next question, what is at the northeast corner of third and center? नॉर्थ ईस्ट कॉर्नर पे आप देखेंगे अब मैप के, थर्ड स्ट्रीट, ऑन द थर्ड स्ट्रीट इट इज गवर्नमेंट सेंटर, police and fire, community center, and center drive is museum. What is a good place to picnic? You have to tell it from the map. So we have park and forest. Obviously they will be the best options for a picnic point, so we will write it. What street does the train stop? Obviously train stops at a station, so we will locate where the station is at. So the station is on the Market Street. Sorry, you don't have to write the Market Street, just you have to write that it will stop at this station. Okay, next is what streets, कहाँ पे रुक रही है? तो it is between the first street and the Market Street के दरमियान है स्टेशन, तो you will write that. Okay, जो स्टेशन है या ट्रेन स्टॉप करेगी वो फर्स्ट और मार्केट स्ट्रीट के दरमियान करेगी. What else is on the Market Street? There is nothing else on the Market Street, so you will write nothing. Okay, then government is Government center is on the dash corner of center and third. So you will have to look at the center drive and third. So government center is on the northeast corner of the center and third street. Museum is on the dash corner of third and market. So obviously for third street it is on the northwest corner, and for the market street it is on the southeast corner. Then you have to tell where is the hospital. So it is in the southeast corner of the third street. Okay, so the worksheet has been done here. Now moving towards our chapter, we are going to start a new chapter, which is our culture. Okay, so culture defines the way a group of people lives. It includes the language they speak, the way they dress, the way they celebrate their festivals, and the religion they follow. It also includes their arts and crafts, their music, and the games they play. Culture is not only the collection of certain ways of living, it also includes the values that people hold dear. Okay, so every region of the world and every region of a city, not a city, but every region of a specific country has a different kind of culture, right? For example, if we talk about Sindh, so there is a different culture. mm, there's different types of food, there are different types of beliefs. If you go towards the northern areas, the lifestyle is different, everything is different, right? So in culture is basically कि लोग किस तरह से अपनी ज़िंदगी गुजार रहे हैं, ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल. इसमें उनकी ज़बान, उनके कपड़े, और किस तरह से हाउ दे आर सेलिब्रेटिंग देयर फेस्टिवल्स एंड व्हाट रिलीजन दे फॉलो, ये सब इंक्लूड करता है. एंड इट ऑल्सो इंक्लूड्स जो उनका आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट्स हैं या म्यूज़िक है, गेम्स जो खेलना पसंद करते हैं. इसके अलावा कल्चर सिर्फ वो चीज़ें नहीं कि आप किस तरह से ज़िंदगी गुजार रहे हैं, बल्कि आपकी वैल्यूज़ क्या हैं, आपके इक़दार क्या हैं. इक़दार लाइक फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल we have that we tend to respect our elders. That is our values. And this includes a lot of other things as well. Okay, so now Azme and Ibrahim are Pakistani children. Here they are going to tell you about their culture. Look at our family picture. We live in a joint family, which means that our grandparents, aunts, and uncles live with us. We speak Urdu and also our regional language. Sometimes we speak English too. We wear the national dress of Pakistan, which is shalwar kameez. Okay, so Azme and Ibrahim joint family में रहते हैं. That means that they live with their uncles and aunts, grandparents as well, and they speak Urdu, and sometimes they also speak their regional language. Regional language मतलब कि for example if you are living in Sindh, so you will speak Sindhi, that is your regional language. And if you are living in northern areas, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, so the regional language there is Pashto or Hindko, right? Okay, and sometimes they also speak English too, because English is international language, so it plays a big part, and that's why it is like now it is so important for communication and for learning, so that's why. and they wear the national dress of Pakistan, which is shalwar kameez. Okay, our family is fond of eating traditional foods. Our grandparents like to have makai roti, sarson saag, lassi, and sugarcane juice. On special occasions, we cook korma, zada, and pulao. Okay, so these are a lot. These are the examples that are usually popular in Pakistan. Zada, pulao, korma, mutton kadhai, and naan. Okay, all of these are a must, on special occasions, right? They forgot to mention biryani, which is our national dish, you can say. Okay, we have a great tradition of hospitality. Guests are welcomed with open arms and are looked after very well. So this thing, that hospitality thing, includes in our values, because we really give a lot of importance to our guests, right? That includes in our values, right? कि जो भी हमारे लिए मेहमान रहमत होते हैं अल्लाह ताला की तरफ से, एंड हमारे ये भी बिलीव्स हैं कि वो मेहमान आते हैं तो हमारे घर की परेशानियाँ और दुख वगैरह अपने साथ लेके चले जाते हैं. दैट वी बिलीव, राइट? बिकॉज इट इज़ इन आवर रिलीजन. So these includes in our values, and obviously we look after our guest very well. हम उनको बहुत ख्याल रखते हैं और जितना हम उनके साथ अच्छा या उनको अच्छा खिला सकते हैं, we try to do that, right? Hospitality is basically mehman nawazi, right? Okay, we celebrate different festivals. Like all Muslims, we celebrate Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha. Basically, the two main um, festivals in Pakistan are, Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha, which are celebrated with great passion. So, no dress is complete without matching brightly colored glass bangles. All girls, the students will know that bangles are a must for Eid, and on Eid having henna designs made on the palms is an age-old tradition among females. Okay, मेहंदी लगाना भी इज़ अ मस्ट. चांद रात को हम सबको पता है कि जो मेहंदी वाली ख़वातीन होती हैं वो बुक्ड होती हैं बहुत बुरी तरह, और एक लंबी कतार लगी होती है. देयर इज़ अ बिग लाइन फॉर दैट, right? And basically, not only painting your hands with henna is a tradition, but it is a sunnah as well, so it plays a really big part in our tradition and culture. Sevaiya is the traditional sweet dish served in every home on Eid al-Fitr. That's again a very true thing, that wherever you visit you will find sevaiya on their table on Eid, no matter what. कहीं भी जाएं आप. Okay, it is a tradition to embrace each other in the spirit of brotherhood after offering Eid prayers. For girls who obviously don't go to the masajid, but for the boys who went to the masjid, people used to hug each other even if they didn't know each other, because it is part of our tradition कि ईद की मुबारक देना is considered a big thing. तो ईद वाले दिन there is no unknown or known persons. Everyone is Muslim, and we try to congratulate and say Eid Mubarak to even strangers, right? Okay. It is interesting to note the similarity and diversity in the regional cultures of Pakistan. Now we will talk about what are the similarities in the regional areas of Pakistan or cultures of Pakistan, and what is the diversity or dissimilarities basically, क्या differences हैं basically, okay, और similarities क्या हैं उन दोनों को देखेंगे हम. First, talking about the similarity, people living in all the 4 provinces speak Urdu because it is the national language. Most people follow Islam. 97% of the population is Muslim. The majority of the people of Pakistan wear their national dress, which is shalwar kameez. Children are trained to respect their elders and to love and care for their peers. Peers लोगों को कहा जाता है या उनके जानने वाले, तो उनका ख्याल करना और उनकी रिस्पेक्ट करना is a must in Pakistan.
Okay, so now we will talk about diversity. Diversity मतलब कि कितना डिफरेंस है हर जगह जगह में, मतलब हमारे 4 प्रोविंसेस में. प्रोविंस सिंध, रीजनल लैंग्वेज सिंधी, पंजाबी, सराइकी, खैबर पख्तूनख्वा, पश्तो और हिंद को, बलूचिस्तान बलूची, बरहावी. पीपल आपको दिख रहे हैं इन पिक्चर्स में डिफरेंट रीजन्स के. सिंध में आपको दिख रहा होगा पीछे बहुत ड्राई एरिया है और घर जो है वो घास फूस से बने हुए हैं और कच्ची मिट्टी से बने हुए हैं. पंजाबी से पंजाब में आपको ढोल वगैरह दिख रहा है. और खैबर पख्तूनख्वा के लोगों के पीछे आपको पहाड़ियाँ वगैरह दिख रहे हैं, तो दैट शोज़ के वहाँ पे वो माउंटेनस रीजन है. बलूचिस्तान में आप लोगों को पगड़ियाँ वगैरह दिख रही हैं, ये इनका ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेस है बलूचिस्तान का. फूड में आपको दिख रहा है कि सिंध में बिरयानी दिख रही है आपको, पंजाब में आपको ये बेसिकली वो है आलू पालक है. खैबर पख्तूनख्वा के मशहूर चपली कबाब हैं. बलूचिस्तान में आपको सज्जी दिख रही है. ओके, फोक डांसेस हैं यहाँ पे सिंध के, जैसे कि आपको दिख रहा है कि इन्होंने वाइट कमीज शलवार विद अजरक दुपट्टा. एंड पंजाब का जो है अलग डांस है. दैन खैबर पख्तूनख्वा की जैकेट्स आप देखें ये बहुत मशहूर होती हैं, फेमस. एंड बलूचिस्तान की ये फ्रॉक ड्रेसेस आर फेमस देयर. आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट सिंध में यू कैन सी अजरक. इन पंजाब यू कैन सी हैंड क्राफ्ट्स. इन खैबर पख्तूनख्वा दिस इज़ बेसिकली कॉपर एंड बेसिकली तांबे के ये बर्तन हैं. और बलूचिस्तान यू कैन सी बलूची कढ़ाई. समटाइम्स कल्चर्स चेंज. ओके, वी ऑल नो कल्चर चेंज वक्त के साथ साथ चेंज होता रहता है. सो हाउ डज दिस हैपन? व्हेन पीपल बिलोंगिंग टू अ डिस्टिंक्ट कल्चर come into close contact with another culture, the two tend to merge over a period of time. People adopt the lifestyles of a different culture according to their convenience and needs. Obviously जब दो डिफरेंट कल्चर्स के लोग साथ रहेंगे तो कुछ ना कुछ एक दूसरे से अडॉप्ट करके वो अपनी लाइफस्टाइल्स में चेंजेस लाते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल earlier we have दस्तरखान, but now we used to become eating on the dining table, and that was the influence of British people that used to have a dining table. Sometimes the use of a new invention in our daily lives can change our culture. One example is that family members have less time for each other because they spend more time watching TV and for nowadays using their mobile phones. Television also affects culture by introducing new cultures into our lives, so people adopt some new customs. For example, you see a new fashion trend on the TV and you follow that. For example, a new haircut or a new dress design, right? Cultures can resist change if certain customs and beliefs are held dear. For example, in France, the commercial use of English words is banned. In this way, the purity of the French language is being preserved. बहुत सी अगर चाइनीज़ वगैरह को देखें, चाइना को देखें या फ्रेंच को देखें, स्पेनिश, वहाँ पे इंग्लिश यूज़ नहीं होती है एज़ अ नेटिव लैंग्वेज या एज़ एन इंटरनेशनल लैंग्वेज. दे टेंड टू प्रेफर टू स्पीक देयर ओन लैंग्वेज, देयर नेशनल लैंग्वेज. दे and that's why they are successful. That's the reason. Meet Mr. and Mrs. Hu. They are here to tell you about their Chinese culture, see our art and craft. You all know the traditional handmade Chinese fan. Doll making is a special craft of China. Mr. and Mrs. Hu are in their traditional dress. Chinese food is popular all over the world. We use chopstick instead of a fork and spoon. We like to have tea with our meals. The Chinese New Year is based on the lunar calendar. मतलब आपके चांद पे डिपेंड करता है उनका कैलेंडर. जैसे कि हमारा इस्लामिक कैलेंडर इज़ बेस्ड ऑन लूनर कैलेंडर एज वेल, बट द क्रिश्चियन कैलेंडर दैट वी फॉलो लाइक जनवरी, फरवरी, अप्रैल वगैरह, that is based on the solar calendar, matlab that are based on the movement of the sun, but lunar calendar is based on the movement of the moon. New Year's Day is special for us. The dragon dance is performed that day and all children receive gifts from their elders. These are special red envelopes with money. The red color of the envelope symbolizes good luck and is supposed to ward off evil spirits. मतलब कि बुरी नज़र से दूर रखने के लिए जो है वो रेड कलर को यूज़ करते हैं. We share some of our values and traditions with the Pakistani people as together we belong to the Eastern culture. We pay a lot of respect to our elders. Most of us live in the joint family system, but this is changing now due to the increasing cost of living. We believe in living simply. Here the explanation of this chapter has been completed. Now we will go toward the copy work. After the chapter, the great leaders of Pakistan make the title page of our culture and then start by fill in the blanks. These are the fill in the blanks. Urdu is the national language of Pakistan. The Chinese use chopstick in place of forks, spoons and knives. Culture includes the art and crafts, music and the games we play. The Chinese New Year is based on lunar calendar. Short question, then you have to do short question answer. Which aspects of our lives make up our culture? Culture includes the languages we speak, the way we dress, the way we celebrate our festivals and the religion we follow. I am zooming in so that you can easily see that. Describe some differences and similarities between the regional cultures of Pakistan. Similarities: Urdu is the national language. Islam is the religion of 97% population. Shalwar kameez is the national dress. Common values like respect for elders and peers. Differences: regional dresses, regional food, regional folk dances, poetry and music, regional art and handicraft. Next is long question answer. List some of the distinct features of the Chinese culture. Some distinct features of the Chinese culture are drinking tea with meals, the dragon dance, respect for elders, living in a joint family system, doll making as a craft, simple living, the use of red colors to ward off. Two and ward are different, like they have gap in between. Of evil spirits, use of chopstick instead of knives, spoons and forks. How do the Chinese celebrate New Year's Day? The Chinese New Year is based on the lunar calendar. New Year's Day is special. The dragon dance is performed on that day and children receive gifts from their elders. These are special red envelopes with money. This is these are special, okay? With money, it is the symbol of good luck and is supposed to ward off evil spirits. Here your copy work has been completed. Now you have to do the worksheet pad work. In this, what you have to do, you have to do some research and then you have to fill it in this chart. First, the area you are living, area of the country you are living, you will write obviously Karachi, and if China, so you can write anything, like for example you take the capital of China and then wrote everything about that, because you don't have a friend of China, So you will take any specific area of China, city of China, and then you will write everything about that. ओके पॉपुलेशन लिखनी है आपको उस जगह की. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू आर राइटिंग अबाउट कराची, सो यू हैव टू राइट अबाउट दैट. व्हाट इज़ द पॉपुलेशन, कैपिटल सिटी. ओके एरिया ऑफ द कंट्री में यू विल राइट द प्रोविंस. ओके देन कैपिटल सिटी, इफ you are writing Sindh, in the area of the country you have to write in the capital city obviously Karachi. फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट फेडरल है, किस तरह की गवर्नमेंट है. नेशनल लैंग्वेज तो ऑब्वियसली पाकिस्तान की उर्दू एंड चाइना की चाइनीज़. नेशनल कलर, national dress, most popular food. You have to do it on your own. Okay, then you have a word search. You have to find all of these words that are in the end of the page. Okay, here your chapter our culture has been completed. See you, do complete all of your work. I will see you soon in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.